In Business Central, when you're in your role, sometimes it can be hard to look for certain features that should be exposed to you. For this reason, there is the Role Center navigation. Click on this, and from here you're going to see all of the features that are part of Sales and Relationship Manager. Home, Sales, Posting, Sales Administration, and Purchasing Analysis. You can expand this further to show all features that you currently have access to through your security groups by clicking Explore More Roles. Here now we see a complete view of the whole system, of all the features that are available to me and my user logon. To get back out of this view, all you need to do is click on the company name.